Hi, I'm Sarah. I'm the Head of Recruitment and Admissions here at Arts University Plymouth.
And my name is Rose. I'm a Student Recruitment Officer here at Arts University Plymouth.
So clearing is your opportunity to gain a place at university if you've not yet secured one. It's available for all sorts of students. It's not just if you've missed your grades. There's lots of opportunities available. It's a process that's actually run through UCAS, and it happens outside of the normal application windows. So that's post the end of June.
Clearing is also a really good opportunity to look at changing an institution or a course through your application. No, clearing is not for people that just haven't made the grades. It's also for people looking to change their course or their institution or that haven't made existing applications.
And it's also for people who haven't actually got an offer yet, so it's an opportunity for them to apply later on.
All of our courses are open to clearing students, so you can apply for any course that you're interested in. And we're looking for students with a creative passion and that we want to help them nurture here with us.
Yeah, so we try and keep our courses open so that we can give everyone the opportunity to study with us. We're a very open and inclusive institution, and we're just looking for lots of creative potential. So at the moment, all of our courses have places available through clearing. No one will be able to tell whether you've applied through clearing or not. You won't be treated any differently. We have students start late with us and they're supported in exactly the same way. So unless you were to tell someone that you started through clearing, no one would know.
And even if you're applying through clearing, you'll still have all the access to freshers events and social events and things like that going on as well. When you start, you're not going to be left out of anything. There are lots of opportunities to come and see the campus whilst you apply through clearing. We have virtual tours available on the website, but we also have a designated clearing open day. Head over to the website for more information.
Or you can actually drop in and see us any time during our opening hours. Monday to Friday, we're open from 8:30 till 5. Clearing is open from now until mid-October. To apply, you go to the UCAS website and you can apply through there. But if you have any questions at all on the process or what to do, you can get in contact with our admissions team and they'll talk you through the process step by step.
If you're interested in clearing, you can head over to the Arts University Plymouth website, click on our designated clearing page and register your interest by filling out the form. If you're thinking about making an application for clearing, it's a really good time to do some research about the institution you're applying for, have a look at the courses, what application requirements there are in terms of portfolios, think about putting together some examples of your work, maybe an example of a personal statement.
And it's probably worth getting in touch with the institutions as well to see if they can offer you a campus tour or a visit or even a one-to-one discussion to find out more about the courses that we offer. Or you can chat to some current students using our UniBuddy platform to get an idea from them what student life is like and what the course is like. On results day, we recommend that you get prepared as possible. So have your portfolio ready, have your results to hand when you collect them on the day, and also have the number that you're going to call, the clearing number for the institution you're looking to apply for.
There's still time to make an application for student finance. Head over to the Student Finance England website and make an application directly with them as soon as you can.
And similarly with accommodation, we recommend you apply as soon as possible. So there are options available across the city and our student team are happy to help you apply and find the right option for you.
So however you're applying, don't stress, take your time. We're here to welcome you when you're ready. And if you want any information at all about clearing or the applications process in general, contact our admissions team and we're happy to talk you through whatever you need.
So just remember, everyone's here to support you. We're all on your side and we want to help you embark on your creative university journey.